24 Quebec, traffic at the departure end has you in sight, holding over downtown. He's on course out to the north.
Roger that, 24 Quebec, we're getting ready to make a right turn over the river back towards downtown. Thank you.
Tower, Truth Hotel will be to the northwest departure.
That's right, I'll tell you. Just keep him in sight. He's turning back. He's doing some sightseeing over downtown.
Okay, yeah, we got him.
15 Quebec, you going to do some options with me, or are you going to full stop?
5 Quebec will be full stop on this one, sir.
Give the Grumman a little room.
5 Quebec, welcome.
Juliet Hotel requesting taxi for runway.
As here.
799 Echo Tango, stand by. I've got your clearance here, and it's at the 8 Juliet Hotel, the air tractor. Runway 4, taxi via Alpha and 32. Just hold short of runway 4.
So, runway 4.
Is that going to be enough room for y'all to go, or would you rather go down to Charlie?
I will know after this one. I won't make it on this one, but I'll
So you want to take it down to Charlie, and then we'll see? Air tractor 8 Juliet Hotel. Runway 4, cross runway 32 at Charlie for intersection departure.
Runway 32, go to Charlie.
79 Echo Tango, clearance again. You're cleared to the Bravo Kilo Whiskey Airport.